Hello everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will cover one important environmental concept that is greenhouse effect. This effect we use in the agriculture student. Like many times in the fields you observe an enclosure of polythenes and plastics or the glass student. Those enclosure of plastic, polythene or glass maintain the temperature of that particular field. With the help of one effect student, that effect is known as greenhouse effect. And with the help of this effect, the summer season crops can be grown in the winter season. Because with the help of this effect student, the temperature of the particular field can be increased, and due to that increasing the temperature, the farmers can grow the summer season crops in the winter season. So that's why this effect also plays very important role. Now this effect also maintains the temperature of the earth. The temperature of the earth is maintained. Our earth have average 15 degree Celsius student. But if there will be no greenhouse effect, then our earth may have minus 20 degree Celsius temperature, and due to which there will be no life student. So this effect also help to maintain life on the earth. But due to the increasing use of automobile transports or the fossil fuels in nowadays, the pollution is increasing student. Air pollution is increasing, and that air, due to that air pollution, there are different harmful gases are released in the air student, like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide and chlorofluorocarbon. All these gases are known as greenhouse gases. Now these greenhouse gases make a layer in the atmosphere student. They make a layer in the atmosphere like this. One layer is formed, means the layer of the carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. And due to this student, when this layer is found in higher concentration, then due to that the heat of the sun or the radiation of the sun is trapped around the earth, and due to which we have the more temperature, and this effect is also known as greenhouse effect. Now due to that greenhouse effect, we have one problem, environment related problem, and that problem is known as global warming student. Like due to the global warming, the temperature is increasing, means the earth temperature is increasing student, and due to the increasing of the temperature, the glaciers are melting student, and due to melting of the glacier, the water level on the earth is increasing, means the water is covering more land area, and due to which we are facing the problem of flood. And with this student, it is also changing the weather pattern. Sometime we have cold, sometime we have hot, sometime we have the rainfall, and those all weather changes don't depend on the season student. We may have that due to in a disturbance sequence student. And what is the main reason of it? The main reason of it is global warming, and we have the global warming due to the greenhouse effect or due to the more pollution on the earth. Next shortcoming of the global warming is student, due to this the precipitation pattern, means rainfall pattern is also changing, means we can get the rain not only in the rainy season, we can get it in any season like winter or summer, and it is due to the greenhouse effect, or it is due to the global warming. So it is also disturbing the rainfall pattern, student, because it is disturbing the temperature, and due to the disturbance of the temperature there is more evaporation, and due to more evaporation there is more condensation or the precipitation, and due to that precipitation we have the rain. So these are the main shortcomings of the global warming or the greenhouse effect. Now many times in the competitive exam there is one important question is asked, student. It is about the greenhouse gases. So what are the greenhouse gases? Now you can tell me. Yes, student, what are the greenhouse gases? The greenhouse gases are the gases that form one natural enclosure around the earth. And greenhouse gases examples are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, and CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. And that chlorofluorocarbon is also known as ODS, student. ODS. Now what is ODS? ODS means ozone depleting substance. CFC is also known as ODS. ODS means ozone depleting substance, because it is harmful for our ozone layer that is protecting us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So these are the greenhouse gases. Now what is the benefit of the greenhouse gas effect? What is the benefit? This I have told you. Main benefit, it maintains the earth temperature. It maintains the earth temperature. And what is the average earth temperature, student? It is 15 degrees Celsius. If there is no greenhouse effect on the earth, then what will be the temperature, student? It may be minus 20 degrees Celsius. Now what is the shortcoming? About the shortcoming, I have told you it increases the temperature, and due to that we are facing the problem of global warming. Second, it changes the weather pattern. Third is it also changes the precipitation pattern or the rainfall pattern. So it is about the greenhouse effect, student. Now you will try to cover this topic and try to write it in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.